Stator support cover removal. Use 8mm D-spanner. Remove 14 bolts. Take out the cover. Remove the spring. Oil pressure relief valve. Remove the dipstick. Starter motor removal. Remove 2 8mm bolts. Remove starter motor. Crown starter removal. Install the special tool on crankshaft hex nut. Install the crankshaft holding special tool on crankshaft. Install rotor assembly check nut. Use 36mm box spanner. To avoid the damage to the crankshaft, do not try to hold the crankshaft by any other method. Loosen the check nut. Remove the lock nut. Remove the special tool. Remove the washer. Take out the crown gear, along with one-way clutch and intermittent gear. Shifter housing, assembly removal. Use 8mm spanner. Remove 4 bolts. Slide the housing and disconnect it from the stem.